Health is wealth proverb, meaning the proverb health is wealth obviously relates to the wealth that a person can accumulate to his or her health. In other words, the phrase indicates that if one is healthy, there is a tremendous possibility of assimilating wealth through hard work and labor. But on the other hand, if a person is not in good health, then his chances of working and amassing wealth becomes very bleak. So the bottom line is that if you want to be wealthy, you have got to stay healthy in the first place. Examples of this proverb: John, you must take care of your health first. After all, health is wealth. Farmers are able to work in fields because their bodies are strong and healthy. Indeed, health is wealth. Origin of this proverb: the phrase health is wealth was first used by Ralph Waldo Emerson, an American essayist and philosopher who lived during the 19th century. He used the phrase in the context of the American people, stating that health is of utmost importance than wealth, and its true sense, health is only the real wealth of a person. However, what Emerson wrote in one of his works in 1860 was not exactly health is wealth. Nevertheless, it had exactly the same meaning. What he wrote was the first wealth is health. It is evident that Emerson signified health over wealth and believed that it is a true wealth a person can possess. With the passage of time, the phrase was simplified a little, though the meaning almost remained the same. Today, the widely used phrase health is wealth is nothing but only the simplified form of what Emerson wrote in 1860. The first wealth is health. Expansion of the proverb. The proverb health is wealth is a proverb that very wisely teaches us that we can possess all the materialistic materials, money that we desire only when we are healthy. Health gives you the strength to work hard and achieve everything you ever wanted. On the other hand, if you are not healthy but weak and frail, it would be really difficult for you to work and make your dreams come true. In other contexts, it also means that wealth has no significance at all if one is not healthy. Just imagine if you have all the wealth in the world. You can eat even the costliest food in the costliest restaurant, but your health did not allow you that. What a tragedy it would be. Wouldn't at that moment you wished to forsake your wealth for your favorite food? This is exactly what the phrase health is wealth tries to teach us. Importance of the proverb. The phrase health is wealth is a very important phrase considering that it tells us about the true wealth of life. The true wealth of life is indeed health. If a person is in good health, then only she would be able to work and look after his loved ones. In today's competitive environment, we often neglect our health and join the rat race to get wealthier than any other person we know. It's a blind race because ultimately, when you lose your health, you will also either lose your wealth or it becomes insignificant. Wouldn't that be saddening and depressing? Therefore, it is the health that we must prioritize. If we are healthy, accumulating wealth is only a matter of time. Short story on health is wealth. Once there was a man named Ralph. He was a very talented and hardworking employee of a law firm. It was routine for him to get the Best Employee Award every year. He had been in the firm for around 10 years. Ralph and his family were very happy with his promotions and increments. But there was another side of the story also. In his want to move above the corporate ladder, Ralph had hugely compromised his health for years. He skipped lunch to attend board meetings, worked late hours at night, often skipping dinner. It so happened that one day he got so ill that he could not even move on his own. He went to a doctor who suggested immediate hospitalization. The reason was an intestinal ulcer that has developed due to his irregular food habits for years. Ralph was in the hospital for over a month. Also, he had to spend a good amount of money that he had accumulated in all these years. When he was discharged from the hospital, there was something that he could not forget. He told his friends that the wall in front of his hospital bed had a calendar on which, written in bold characters, were three words: "Health is wealth." Indeed, he thought and vowed never to neglect his own health ever. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.